Technology, we have Vasco Deshe. Versus in the blue corner from Durban University of Technology, we have Caesar Hima.
Hima, Ashwanta. Etangiba kukuta Kaizer Chiefs. Kukuta Kaizer Chiefs. Makshuba. Man. Nice one.
To the side of the ring.
Nice one, give up. That's Makshuba. Nice one, give up. Apakachi, give up.
Fake we push it. Fake we push it again.
Saulo, como não vai não olhar o cara.
Fake we push it, Caesar. Fake we push it. Right body.
We're going to have a very short day, very short day. Remember we had a gala dinner, all the boxers can't wait to get to the casino and see the menu. Boxers can't wait to see the menu.
Caesar.
They've been hungry for a long weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give these two boys a big round of applause. And the 2022 USA champion under the 54 kilograms with the RSC decision is the boxer in the blue corner. The officials for the next bout in the ring, referee M. Makome, judge number 1, Bisha Balala, judge number 2, Judge Lozoni, judge number 3.
Akakafungi yakona. Sizwe nje bafana.